Imagine this. You're walking outside. Birds are chirping. Cars are moving. Everything is normal. And suddenly, the Earth stops spinning. Not forever. Not for a day. Just 10 seconds. Sounds harmless, right? No. Because those 10 seconds would be the most violent, terrifying, unbelievable moments in all of human history. Today, we'll explore exactly what would happen if Earth suddenly stopped rotating for just 10 seconds. And trust me, you're not ready for this. Right now, Earth rotates at 1670 km/h at the equator. That means you, your house, your city, everything is moving at that speed without you even feeling it. Now imagine the planet suddenly hits the brakes. But your body doesn't. Nothing does. It would be like the entire world is in a car going 1670 km/h and someone slams the brakes. Everything not firmly attached to bedrock flies eastward. Cars, buildings, trees, people, oceans. A global shockwave of destruction would ripple across the planet. But that's just the beginning. As Earth stops, the atmosphere does not stop with it. Air keeps moving at full speed. That means winds of over 1,000 plus mph begin sweeping across continents. Forget tornadoes. Forget hurricanes. This would be the largest, fastest windstorm in the history of the universe. Enough to shred skyscrapers like paper and throw entire oceans onto land. But we still have 7 seconds left. Oceans are rotating with Earth, too. So when the planet stops, tsunamis taller than skyscrapers race across the world. Entire coastlines disappear. Countries near the equator would face the worst impact because that's where rotation speed is highest. In just a few seconds, cities like Mumbai, Singapore, Miami, Rio, gone. You might not know this, but Earth isn't a perfect sphere. It bulges near the equator because of rotation. If Earth stops spinning, even for 10 seconds, gravity pulls water toward the poles. Sea levels near the equator drop drastically. The Arctic and Antarctic regions begin to flood. The planet literally tries to reshape itself as if rebooting from a glitch. And we're only 5 seconds in. The sudden halt puts unimaginable stress on Earth's crust. Tectonic plates jerk violently. This causes mega-earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, cracks in the crust, mountains slightly shifting position. The entire world feels like it's being torn apart. And as soon as you think it can't get worse, Earth's molten iron core powers our magnetic field. Stopping the rotation even briefly messes with the core's motion. For a moment, Earth's magnetic field weakens. What does that mean? More cosmic radiation, satellites glitching, possible global communication blackout, auroras going crazy across the sky. random lights dancing in panic as the planet tries to recover. After 10 seconds, Earth suddenly resumes spinning. But again, you don't. Everything that was thrown forward is now slammed backward. Another global shockwave. More unimaginable destruction. If the first stop didn't throw the world into chaos, this restart would finish the job. Survival would depend entirely on location. People underground, in bunkers, mines, deep basements, have the highest chance of surviving the initial 10 seconds. People near the poles might remain mostly safe from the forward thrust. Anyone at the equator? Almost zero chance. Infrastructure worldwide? Gone. The world would be unrecognizable. After those 10 seconds end, continents are flooded. Cities are destroyed. Communication systems fail. Climate becomes chaotic. The magnetic field needs time to stabilize. And society collapses into survival mode. Human civilization as we know it would not survive. All from just 10 seconds. 10 seconds that prove how fragile our planet really is. So next time you look up at the sky, remember, the only reason life exists on Earth is because everything keeps moving perfectly. One tiny change, even for 10 seconds, and the world becomes a nightmare. If you want more mind-bending what-if videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. What should I explore next?